Hello guys, this is Akshay Gautam and I am a trainer and security analyst in InfoSec Train. Today we'll be talking on Security Plus. Security Plus certification is provided by CompTIA. Security Plus is a blue team course and also it talks about the defense part of the cybersecurity. Today we'll be discussing on 5 questions of Security Plus. Let's start with our questions. Question number 1. Which of the following hackers find the vulnerabilities and bugs in the system not for the purpose of cracking the system? Our options are option A, white hat hacker, option B, black hat hacker, option C, grey hat hackers, option D, none of the above. Let's have a brief discussion on each options. White hat hackers are the hackers who perform hacking for the purpose of finding the vulnerabilities and bug in the system for the organization. Black hat hackers are the hackers who perform hacking for their own good. And in case of grey hat hackers, these are the hackers who doesn't have permission to hack certain system of the organization. And if they find any vulnerabilities on those systems, they may or may not report those vulnerabilities to the organization. Let's see if they decide to report those vulnerabilities to the organization. And in exchange, they will expect some reward. And if they are not rewarded, then they can make those vulnerabilities public. So our answer will be option A, white hat hackers. Because these are the hackers finds the vulnerabilities and bugs in the system not for the purpose of cracking the system. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 2. Which of the following are the legal ways of hacking jobs which are provided by the organization? Our options are option A, hacktivist, option B, ethical hacking, option C, script kiddies, and option D, non-ethical hacking. Let's have a brief discussion on each option. Hacktivists are the hackers who do the hacking for the particular agenda. Ethical hacking is the form of white hat hacker who do hacking for the particular firm or organization. Script kiddies are the one who doesn't know the outcome of the hacking but they still do the hacking for the entertainment purpose. Non-ethical hackers are the black hat hackers who do hacking for their own good. So our answer will be option B, ethical hacking, because ethical hacking is the form of white hat hackers who do hacking for the particular firm or organization. So it is the legal ways of hacking job which are provided by the organization. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 3. The individuals who hacks for terrorist organizations and breach the data of different nations are called. Our options are option A, state-sponsored hackers, option B, black hat hackers, option C, ethical hackers, option D, cyber terrorist. Let's have a brief discussion on each option. State-sponsored hackers are the hackers who do hacking for the state government. Black hat hackers are the hackers who perform hacking for their own good. Ethical hackers are the hackers who are the form of white hat hackers who do the hacking for the firm or any organization. And cyber terrorists are the ones who do the hacking for terrorist organization and breaches the data of the different nation or any human loss is involved in it. So our answer will be D, cyber terrorist. Let's move further ahead with our next question. Question number 4. Dash are the suicide hackers. Our options are option A, these are the hackers who do hacking for their own good. Option B, these are the hackers who do the hacking for organizations. Option C, these are the hackers who do hacking where they know the outcome and still they does it. Option D, these are the ones who do the hacking for entertainment purpose without knowing the outcome. Let's discuss the options. So, black hat hackers are the hackers who do the hacking for their own good. Ethical hackers are the hackers who do the hacking for any organization or firm. In case of option C, suicide hackers are the hackers who do the hacking where they know the outcome and still they does it. And option D, these are script kiddies who do the hacking for entertainment purpose without knowing the outcome. So our answer will be definitely option C, that suicide hackers are the hackers who do hacking where they know the outcome and still they does it. Let's move ahead with our last question. Question number 5. The newbie individuals who do hacking without knowing the outcome and don't have in-depth knowledge of cybersecurity are called. Our options are option A, ethical hackers, option B, non-ethical hacker, option C, script kiddies, option D, suicide hacker. Let's have a brief discussion on each options. Option A, ethical hackers. These are the hackers who do the hacking for a particular organization or firm. Non-ethical hacker, that is option B, does the hacking for their own good. Option C, script kiddies are the individuals who do hacking for the entertainment purpose and they don't know the outcome. And option D, suicide hackers are the hackers who do the hacking even though they know the outcome of the hacking. So our answer will be option C, script kiddies, because these are the newbies individual who do hacking without knowing the outcome and don't have in-depth knowledge of cybersecurity. Thank you guys. If you want more questions on Security Plus, kindly let us know in the comment section.